Restore your face with castor oil. There are many people who have compared castor oil to the natural equivalent of Botox. But what exactly is castor oil? And why should you think about including it in your normal beauty routine? This all-encompassing video will help us investigate the history of castor oil, its various applications throughout history, and the numerous advantages it provides for your face, lips, and even eyelashes. Join me as we explore the world of castor oil and learn its secrets for healing and regenerating your skin. Welcome to the Stella Beauty channel, your ultimate destination for all things beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. Here we explore the latest trends, share expert tips, and showcase the best products to help you look and feel your best. Join us today for an exciting episode that centers around the skincare powerhouse, castor oil. Today we'll uncover the secrets of how castor oil can help restore and rejuvenate your face, leaving you with radiant and youthful looking skin. Before anything else, let's have an overview of castor oil's history. The seeds of the plant that produces castor oil, which is referred to as Ricinus communis in the scientific community, are the source of castor oil. This plant is indigenous to Africa, South America, and India, with India being a notable leader in the production of castor oil due to the excellent climate conditions that it possesses. In order to acquire the oil, the extraction process often requires pressing the seeds or employing solvents. For the purposes of skincare, cold-pressed and organic variants are of particular preference. Let's now talk about the historical applications and safety measures. Castor oil has been used for a variety of purposes throughout history, including as a laxative due to its propensity to promote muscle contractions in the intestines. There have been many applications for castor oil. On the other hand, there is no need to be concerned about feeling discomfort in the digestive system when it is applied topically. When applying castor oil to sensitive areas of the body, such as the face and eyes, it is especially important to make sure that the oil is absolutely free of any additives and is of the highest possible purity. Are you ready to be amazed with the Botox effects of nature? The term nature's Botox originates from the multiple advantages that castor oil provides for the protection of the skin. Castor oil, which is abundant in antioxidants, is highly effective in combating free radicals, which are known to hasten the aging process. As a result, it helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The antibacterial qualities of this product make it an effective treatment for acne and a preventive measure against pore blockage, resulting in skin that is both clearer and smoother. In addition, the anti-inflammatory effects of castor oil helps reduce puffiness and swelling, which is another reason why it is a popular choice for treating dark circles and bags under the eyes. The moisturizing properties of this product are unequaled. It gives the skin a profound level of hydration and leaves it looking vibrant and youthful after it is finished. Furthermore, due to its emollient characteristics, castor oil is an essential component in lip care products since it facilitates the softening and smoothing of dry, chapped lips. Castor oil can be used in your skincare routine in the following ways. It is vital to utilize castor oil in the correct manner in order to gain the benefits that it offers for your skin. First things first, select a castor oil that is of the highest quality, is pure, and is organic and cold-pressed. It is recommended that you combine it with a carrier oil such as coconut, almond, or olive oil before applying it to your face. This will help to reduce the product's thickness and ensure that it is applied evenly. Prior to going to bed, you should first thoroughly cleanse your face and then apply the castor oil mixture to your skin, paying particular attention to areas that are prone to wrinkles, acne, or even dryness. If you want it to absorb as much as possible, leave it on overnight, and then wash it off with water that is lukewarm in the morning. In order to provide more moisture and nourishment to the lips, You may either apply a tiny amount of castor oil directly to the lips or combine it with a more palatable oil, such as coconut oil. Did you know that there are also improvements on your eyelashes and brows? There are a lot of people who are convinced that castor oil is beneficial for boosting the growth of eyebrows and eyelashes. A tiny amount of castor oil should be applied to clean lashes and brows before going to bed. To prevent contamination, the applicator should be clean. This will ensure that the oil is applied effectively. Always take precautions to prevent the oil from going into your eyes, since it has the potential to irritate them. Anecdotal evidence suggests that castor oil may help enhance the appearance and quality of the lashes and brows over time, despite the fact that there is a limited amount of scientific evidence supporting the efficacy of castor oil for lash and brow growth. In the same way that it is important to perform a patch test before using any skincare product on a regular basis, it is also important to stop using the product if any adverse responses arise. The use of castor oil has been shown to have numerous advantages for the skin, including anti-aging and acne-fighting capabilities, as well as the ability to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. You can harness the power of nature to heal and revitalize your skin by including high-quality castor oil in your skincare routine and utilizing it in a responsible manner. This will leave your skin looking and feeling its best. Thank you for tuning in today's episode of Stella Beauty Channel. We hope you enjoyed learning all about the amazing benefits of castor oil for restoring your face and achieving radiant skin. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and skincare tips. Remember, your journey to glowing skin doesn't end here. Explore our website at stellabeautystore.com to discover a wide range of skincare products, including castor oil and other beauty essentials. Whether you're looking to address specific skin concerns or simply pamper yourself with luxurious skincare treatments, Stella Beauty Store has everything you need to elevate your beauty routine. Thank you again for joining us on the Stella Beauty Channel. Until next time, remember to embrace your beauty and shine bright every day. I wish you all a fabulous day ahead.